Hi, I'm Julie Schiffman, and today we're going to tap to help you step up and become the most awesome version of yourself. Oftentimes with tapping, we address the negative aspects of what's going on. This time, we're focusing on installing all the good, positive beliefs and vibes and affirmations that will help you to step up and step into the most awesome version of yourself. The question is, are you ready? First, I want you to connect with what it would feel like to be in the most awesome version of yourself. What do you look like? How is the energy in your body? What does your posture say about you? How confident are you? What words are you using to describe yourself? How are you connecting with other people when you see yourself being at your very best? If you're getting stuck here or starting to condemn yourself or beat yourself up for all the reasons you are not awesome or not perfect right now, you need to stop. The purpose of this tapping sequence is to pump you up. So let's start tapping so you can move into the best you can be. As always, please remember to take responsibility for your own emotional and physical well-being, and be sure to reach out to a tapping practitioner if you need to. We're going to start tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I sometimes forget how awesome I am, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I can be hard on myself, get down on myself, and forget how awesome I really am. I accept myself and my true ability to shine. Even though I am stepping out into the world. Maybe I'm off to a meeting at work, an interview, a party, a social engagement, a first date, presentation, or maybe just being with friends or family. Whoever I'm with, even if I'm home alone, I choose to step into the best version of myself. Sometimes I forget who I am. Sometimes I forget about all my strengths. I focus on my limitations. Things have held me back. Doubts. I lose my confidence. Sometimes I have low self-worth. I forget this self-talk isn't really me. Right now, I'm putting that all behind me. Right now, I'm focusing on the real me, the awesome me, the confident me. I am growing larger than life within myself. I can feel my energy boosting. I can sense the awesomeness of who I really am. I see myself standing tall, looking and feeling confident. I'm inspiring others. I have new feelings of confidence. I believe in myself. I believe in who I am. Anything is possible. When I believe in myself, I have everything I need to be who and what I am. I am successful. I am confident. I am abundant. I am the most awesome version of myself. I have faith in myself because this is who I really am. I see how awesome I really am. I have energy. I am alive. I am vibrant. Electric. I am magnetic. Everything is flowing for me. I'm inspiring. I am successful. I believe in myself. I am so grateful for all that I have. I'm capable of so much. I have the power within me to shine and help others shine too. I'm releasing and letting go of any doubts I have, any worries that I am not good enough. These doubts are trying to speak up as I tap, to protect me, to put me in my place. But I know better. I am overriding these thoughts with the truth about me. Those other thoughts are misinformation, lies, fed to me by other people who were misguided themselves. I am standing tall. I am awesome. And this awesomeness is in every cell of my body. This is my truth. I don't have to talk myself into this. It's the truth about me. Sometimes I forget who I really am. I doubt myself. But these are just old limiting beliefs holding me back. I am safe to be who I really am. I am okay being awesome. I am safe feeling awesome. I am awesome. Others see this in me too. I am standing tall, standing strong. But I also have a softness and sensitivity to me. I can be confident and magnetic, and humble too. I am of service to others. This is who I am. I am in alignment right now with what's important to me. I can feel the energy surge within me. I make a difference. I am shining my brightest light. I am the most awesome version of myself. And so it is. Peace. Take a big deep breath in and let it go. And see how that feels for you. If you're feeling any resistance to this, and you might be sure to tap on what's coming up for you. If not, go out there and be the most awesome version of yourself. It is your truth. Keep tapping.